third game of the night. And this one is a little bit different because this one has already been played. Two of our family members were set the challenge to perform at Dancing on Ice. It's Bianca from the Straws and Kerry from the Levers. So, girls, come on over and join us. Give them a big hand.
Hiya. Now, Bianca, you had no idea what to expect when we turned up and surprised you, did you?
Absolutely no idea.
Not a clue, bless you.
And I think, Kerry, it is fair to say, we're going to see you in just a second, but it's fair to say that neither of you are what you'd call expert skaters.
Not whatsoever.
No. Right, we will see that. Time to find out how the girls got on in the wonderful world of Dancing on Ice, which started out with an assessment from the King of Ice himself, Christopher Dean.
Oh, man!
Her balance is really good at this stage. She seems quite confident. We'll give her forwards. That's a good start. It's not slouchy, but it's a bit wobbly.
Right.
You're as cold as ice.
After the girls left Christopher, it was off to the training rink to meet their skating partners.
It's going to be a really tough couple of days of intense training. Mentally, the contestants are under a huge amount of strain.
Last time I ice skated was probably about 13 years ago as a child.
Relax, relax.
I'm so nervous. Whoever thought 2 days was enough was crazy.
Pressure. Under pressure.
It's 3:52. I'm awake, but I know I need to go back to sleep. Just running a dance routine round and round and round in my head. Like it's £20,000. And it's just 1 minute.
It's show day, which means it's off to the studio for the full Dancing on Ice experience.
Oh, it's scary. Did you do a crossover?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you do crossover spirals and all?
Lighting change, please. 3, 2, 1, go.
When I came out, saw the lights and everything, I couldn't stop shaking.
Confidence. It probably dipped a little bit after seeing how nervous I got on the ice.
So here we are backstage at Dancing on Ice. Very exciting. I brought my autograph book. We'll meet Philip Sophie.
And Holly Willoughby. Vanilla Ice.
It's very hectic tonight. We're getting ready for the show.
There's lots of sequins, lots of glitter.
Yeah, very calm.
I'm in heaven.
Loving this bit.
It's Dancing on Ice.
Are you decent?
Oh!
You look fantastic.
Butterflies galore,
Yeah.
loads. Won't let you down.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Show that on TV, please.
Come on. Here you go. Use.
Oh, good luck.
Listen, best of luck.
He's getting on my nerves a bit now, I'll be honest with you.
What are we going to remember? Breathe,
Breathe,
enjoy,
enjoy,
and sell it.
sell it.
Yes.
Skating to Please welcome onto the ice, Bianca Strawn and Lukasz Rujicki.
Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. Every word you taken, it's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my
Come on over. How nervous were you?
Extremely nervous.
Were you?
That is really scary to do that.
I feel like a proud dad.
Jason, be kind.
Well, I still can't get over the fact that you've only been on the ice for 2 days and you came out with such incredible attitude. I'm really shocked.
Wow. Brilliant. That's very good.
That's made me shocked.
So, would you please give a huge round of applause to Bianca and Lukasz? Oh, well done.
Where am I going? This way, this way.
That's going to be tough to beat, I reckon. Very tough to beat.
3, 2, 1, go! Skating to Love Story. Please welcome
6.
Kerry Lever and Sean Rice.
Right, let's go and watch it.
See the lights, see the party, the bar gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were my daddy said stay away from Juliet, and I was crying on the
I got a really big smile on my face. I can't believe it. I'm so relieved. Just a little piece.
Thank you, Jason.
We don't even have some contestants on Dancing on Ice that have the same kind of beautiful arms and upper body carriage that you have. I mean, it's remarkable. And your leg lines, they're beautiful legs. You own that performance.
Thank you, Jason.
Thank you. Did she use that crowd? Did you hear that?
Absolutely. If you were nervous, you didn't show any of it. And I have to agree with Jason, the leg lines and the point of the toe and the foot, I'd love to give to somebody else.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Amazing comments from the judges.
Terry and Sean! She was amazing, I tell
Was
you.
she really good? I was really rubbish.
We did it!
Absolutely brilliant. And please welcome the king and queen of Dancing on Ice, Jane Torval and Christopher Dean.
Chris, you saw the girls at the very beginning. You saw them all the way through that experience. Just how well did they do?
Amazing transition from when I saw them on the ice to when they went out and performed. What a journey in such a short space of time. I was amazed. Totally amazed.
Hey, you can't beat that, can you? OK, then, this, though, now it's the moment of truth. Bianca, you danced first. Each judge gave you a mark out of 10. Let's see how they scored you.
Judges, can we have your scores, please?
A 5.
A 6.
So, a total of 16 for you, Bianca. Kerry, do you think you've done enough?
I'm praying.
All right, let's find out. How did they score, Kerry?
Judges, can we have your scores, please?
A 7.
7.
So, 21 points. 21 points for Kerry, which means Kerry is the winner. Well done, you, and you get to knock another 20,000 off the Strawns. All you got to do, Kerry, is push the button.